everybody, Andrea with Camille's Crown Closet. Today we're doing a kind of unboxing of Milano by Belle Tress. I pulled it last night because she's going to be next in the lineup for me to rotate Milano with the wigs that I wear, and I didn't realize until after I took it out of the box and took the tag off that I had not done a video yet. So here is Milano out of the box already, tag removed. And of course, she's in crushed almond blonde, my favorite color. I know I need to try other colors, but I really don't look good in anything else but cool blonde, so I apologize for the redundancy. And of course, for more redundancy, I'm wearing Nottingham again. This is my ride or die Nottingham in crushed almond blonde by Belle Tress. So let's take a look at Milano. So Milano is from the City collection. So she has the open wefting, the Velcro adjusters, the extended velvet nape, velvet ear tabs with the metal stays, the lace front that goes into the ear tab, so it's a extended lace front. And then she has the mono part. You've got a left part, you have probably about 1 inch of parting space, so you can play with that a little bit. So we'll go ahead and put her on right out of the box and see what she looks like. So here is Milano right out of the box. She is a hell of a face flapper for sure. We'll definitely have to play with this one a little bit to get it out of my face, but really pretty. Of course, she has the really soft Belle Tress fibers. Belle Tress only makes heat-friendly fibers. Really pretty. I think we're going to have to work with it just a little bit to get this out of my face, but I will do that, tell you what I did, and I'll be back to show you. And we're back. Pretty easy. I just broke up the zigzag part. I did put a little bit of heat. I pinned the top back on both sides, put a little bit of heat on it so it wouldn't flop in my face. If you're familiar with Belle Tress, it really doesn't take much heat. Literally, you just clip this back, spray it with a little bit of water. I hit it with the blow dryer for a few seconds on the hot setting, let it sit for a couple of minutes until it cools, and this is what it turned out like. So it's really pretty. Again, this is Milano by Belle Tress from their City collection in crushed almond blonde. It has some barely there waves. I think it's a little bit more of a casual style versus some of the curlier styles. You could wear this in an updo pretty easily because it does have some of these layers around the front. Probably will be a little bit easier to maintain. I don't know if you're like me, but I cannot use a curling iron or a flat iron to save my life as far as styling. So this one will be a little bit easier to maintain because it is, you know, more straight. If you're familiar with heat-friendly wigs, again, you do have to put some heat on them to help to maintain the fibers. Usually after, I'd say after the first couple of washes, it becomes more frequent that you have to apply heat, and I hate that. That is the only downfall with the heat-friendly fibers, but they do feel like human hair. Really pretty. Again, Belle Tress does beautiful fibers, really soft. Here is the lace front here. Belle Tress does really impeccable lace fronts. To me, I think they're almost undetectable. And I'm not in my spinny chair, so I'll just kind of show you a little bit from side to side what she looks like. Hopefully you enjoy these videos. I try to make them fast, so you're not spending a lot of time watching videos. If you're like me, I'm just like, get to the point, just show me the wig. I want to see what the wig looks like and then be done. So hopefully you like that content. Again, if there's anything that you want to see, any unboxings, any particular products that you would like for us to stock in Hot Buys, let me know. You can contact me on the website. We have an email, we have a chat. We also have a Facebook where you can send a messenger. Again, our hot buys is where we have our stock on hand and ready to ship. Typically we ship, I try to ship same business day, but if not, it's usually within at least one business day. So visit us at Camille'sCrownCloset.com. And again, thank you so much for watching.